Drills Talk, episode 148. In this episode, we're going to discuss the top 4 lessons of gratitude. This is based on a blog I wrote in the past entitled Karmic Law, the Law of Gratitude. The law of gratitude is a very selfless law. It is learning that you are a part of a larger piece. It may be hard for most of us, but we're going to go into it in depth and we're going to come out knowing that we should give gratitude, the benefits of giving gratitude, and why we are just part of a much larger piece. Let's go. Drills Talk, episode 148. In this episode, we're going to discuss the top 4 lessons of gratitude. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, show your love however you would like to show your love. Here we're an entrepreneurship / mindset motivation channel. Every Monday, we have a new blog. Every Wednesday, there's a new Drills Talk. Please join us. We are growing every day, and I thank everybody who's taking a part in making sure we do continue to grow. Let's get started. Number 1. Number 1 is you're a part of an ecosystem. We are part of this world, right? We are not the world. The world was going on before us. The world will go on after us, and it won't stop, right? So to understand that you are just part of this big piece that maybe no one really understands why it's here. It's very humbling, and it can cause you to instantly give gratitude, right? It's not all about you. It's about us, everything that's here. The birds flying over your head, you know what I mean? The deer that you're hoping doesn't run into the road, your children, your parents, everybody's part of this living organism, and we're living organisms ourselves, right? It's a great thing if we understand and we can get out of our self-involved thoughts. It's very easy to say, oh, well, the earth may be in shambles, but I'm having a good day. Or I'm having a bad day and it's a beautiful day outside and I'm just going to ignore that and I'm going to stay in my bubble. So if earth is burning or the earth is great, it doesn't matter because it's all about how I feel. And that's how a lot of us operate, even if we don't want to admit that we operate that way. You know, we're having a good day, the sun is shining, everything's great. We're having a bad day and the sun is shining, we're closing the shades. You know, we're not even trying to get out of our funk, you know, and it's not helping anyone, right? You're wasting a great day. You're still in the funk. And it could be people out there that you're going to meet in that great day that you guys can create great days going forward, even when it's pouring outside, because of that one great day that the earth gave you. And the fact that it's all an ecosystem and it all works out. Both of y'all were having terrible days, but both of y'all decided to go out and get out that day. You ran into each other, started, a conversation, became friends, and you were friends for decades long in this journey we have. It's an awesome feeling, but gratitude and just understanding that everything is working together. You're not alone and it's not all about you. Number 2. Number 2 is you're a change agent. What is a change agent? A change agent means that you have an effect on things. You can join a group. Let's just say you're going to another job, right? New job, new group of people. How do you mesh with them? Everyone wants to go in and say, oh, am I going to get along with these people? But are you going to fit their, ongoing ecosystem that they already have? Things are already going on there. You're worried about how they will fit you as opposed to how you would fit them. You're a change agent. It can be a great group. And the fact that, a couple of things that you introduce to the group can change everything. And it can be for the better or the worse. So you do have that power in knowing that you're a change agent. So if you see something wrong, keep in mind that you have the power to go into that situation and make it right. But understand that you also have the power to tarnish something that was great without you. So keep in mind that if you're going to be a change agent, make sure that change is positive. Make sure you understand that you having a bad day can make everyone have a bad day that's around you. Keep in mind that you have the power to change things and embrace that and take that as a responsibility in that, man, I'm part of an ecosystem. I have a chance to change something, but I'm going to make sure it's for the better. Number 3. Number 3 is no one is more important than another. Again, it's another humbling thing. It's another thing that we may not want to hear, but you need to hear it. So let's talk to the people on one side first, right? The people who need to hear it because they feel that they're more important than everybody else. All right. The reason you may feel that you're more important than everybody else is because you haven't exposed yourself to the problems of everyone else. Because if you think that your problems are the biggest problems in the world, you're sadly mistaken, right? If you have the luxury to sit and watch this video, I'm sure and 100% you are sadly mistaken, right? And then you have the people on the other side who don't feel they're as important as they are, right? So now those people know that they're part of an ecosystem. They know that they're change agents and have the power to change things. But they also know that no one else is above another. So yeah, you may see somebody on TV a lot more. You may drive through neighborhoods that you don't feel you'll ever be able to afford to live in. But people there, they're part of your ecosystem too. They live just like you live. They're not better than you are. They may be better at things. They may be better at making money. They may have knowledge on how to make money and how to have that money make money. And you don't have that knowledge. But once you get that knowledge and you apply what they know, why would the results be any different? What makes you less than? You see? So that's another reason to study gratitude and understand gratitude. Your capabilities are not always a physical lack. It can be something mental. It can be something that is a knowledge-based lack. And once you get that knowledge, then you can't say that this person is better than you. Right? Why would you feel like less than? Now, if it's a person that is 7 feet tall and can run, a 4.5 40 and they're just amazing athletes and you're not, okay, that person is an amazing athlete, but it's something that you're incredible at that they just would never have. They will never get. Maybe they're not very personable. They spent their entire life becoming top-notch athletes, right? They don't have time to speak with people. They didn't really have time to address and be social because they were always practicing. But you, who didn't make any teams, wasn't very, athletic, was the talker, right? You'll go to the games and you're talking to everybody. You're switching seats every quarter and you want to talk to the different crowds. And now you're just the most personable person. And they would love to have that, but they don't. Just like you would love to be as athletic as them and you're not. Goes for the people who can sing and the people who can't. But understand that there's people who can't that sing just as much as people who can because they just enjoy it. And they're going to, okay, well, I can't sing as well as I want to, but I enjoy singing and I'm going to be, thankful and happy that I can even sing. The fact that I'm singing badly, hey, but I'm thankful for the ability to even attempt to get better at my bad singing. It's about how you look at it. Everyone has a gift. Your gift may not be in what you see as important, but your gift is extremely important. It's a huge lack to someone who would love to have what you have. Number 4. Number 4 is you're welcome, but not needed. In this world, you are welcome. We have been born into this world, but don't ever think that we are needed. If we never came here, the world will still spin. Now, of course, we want to leave our mark on this world, and our mark should be to leave it better than what we came. But don't ever approach this life as if the world should be thankful that you are here. Be thankful that the world allowed you to be here, and then do your best to make sure that your stamp is left in a positive way. Drills Talk, episode 148. These are the top 4 lessons of gratitude. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. It's drills.com. Check this shit out. It's Drills.